In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can find delivery hotspots on Uber Eats. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open up the application here. And once we have Uber Eats open, then we will need to look for hotspot areas on the map. So you will see some areas that are highlighted in different colors, usually shades of red or orange. Those are the delivery hotspot where there is a high demand for orders. Now, one more thing we can do is we can check the boost zones. So sometimes Uber Eats offers boost zones where you can earn more for deliveries in those areas. Those zones are found in hotspots and they will be clearly marked on your map. Now, the time of day also matters. So if you choose a popular time of day to, deliver, this is going to increase your chances of finding high areas. So high deliveries hotspots, sorry. And one more thing we can try doing is we can deliver to popular areas. So depending on which parts of the map are highlighted, they are more popular. And the last thing that we can do is we can keep the app open. So keep the app open and active, as hotspots can quickly change based on real-time demand. So the app will update to show you the current hotspots as they emerge. So I hope this video was informative. Leave a like and sub if it was, and I'll see you next time.